Rockets stop guessing. Start engineering. To every trader tired of chasing candles and missing the move, the market doesn't move by chance, it moves by liquidity algorithms and institutional footprints. At Liquid Sniper version 3.0, we don't just provide signals, we provide the engineering edge that reveals where the whales are hiding before the price even reacts. Why rely on emotions? You can now leverage an engine that scans 500+ pairs in seconds. Why risk your capital in no man's land? Trade only in high-probability order blocks identified with pure institutional logic. You are now looking at a technology that merges the power of Python automation with the depth of SMC strategies. The path to professional trading begins with using the right tools. Pushpin, join our alpha community now and start trading like an engineer. https://t.me/liquidsnipperalpha